Drones save lives in natural disasters, enable remote inspection of dangerous areas, and can even take your wedding photo game to the next level with aerial photography. Despite many advancements, drones still aren't very maneuverable, especially multi-rotor drones with unidirectional thrust. Drones need to become more agile to navigate narrow and confined spaces. Well, a team of researchers from Pohang University of Science and Technology in South Korea believes they have cracked the maneuverability nut with a solution they found in nature. The researchers created a highly maneuverable flying squirrel drone, and the secret isn't just in advanced control algorithms, but the squirrel bot's controllable, foldable wings. The team says the drone is lightweight and easy to transport, and the foldable wings help it reach a wider range of flight altitudes. The wings have custom-made silicone membranes and a sophisticated control system that learns from every flight. This is biomimicry that learns and adapts from its successes and failures, as would its real-life counterpart. Most recently, the team made the flying squirrel drone even smarter. It can use its neural network or brain to see where it wants to go or land and automatically adjust the wings to make it happen. They call it the Thrust Wing Coordination Control Framework, which controls the shape of the wings so the drone can more easily navigate wooded terrain or complex industrial settings without running into walls or trees. So, just how big of a deal is this? In a simulation, the researchers say a flat-wing drone navigated a forest-like scenario with 19% success, while a wingless drone had a success rate of just 9.52%. The flying squirrel drone had a success rate of more than 90%. The other drones crashed, and crashed quickly, while the flying squirrel pretty much made it out unscathed.